I started Guinea and Congo, and this game clearly, who should Guinea in Morocco first game? You saw Guinea at dominating game for 68 minutes, but almost melted down, just like Ghana melted down last 2 minutes against Congo. They conceded 2 goals from Kokoli Rich, any Yann Ngache. The same thing happened to Guinea. Azuli 2 penalties. No, I mean, especially the last one, melted down. Loss of concentration. Now this game they came very strongly. Back game very very strongly because he had this win set about more chances of qualifying to the semi-finals. No, SOMPA Sports, and so they had to win this game against Congo. When him say Congo, so after losing to Ghana, determination is at least some PKBB from this game. Yes. This is Congo Aika. So they are nowhere near the semi-final. They can't even qualify as on board first game. Then once again, the Guineans, and like I said, their midfield throw came to work. Seduba Sisse, that's a top draw. I go top, and this is the level, the technical quality of this players or this level. What matter? First goal, no Amoshe, no. That's the most influential player in the team. Agasime Kama. That's top. He's a top. Almost top player. I don't know. Go almost share Morocco. He scored the consolation. Yes. He's their top player. And one go share. No. That's it. Now Seduba did very well. Seduba, Fode, Fofana, Ibrahim Akou, they control the midfield, make it very very difficult for Congo to play. San Omuye against Morocco, but intimate like chance. But when Omuye, they make sure that they utilize chance. You're back to me at the Jack Indego, center back for Congo, or no name Ongo, but the Ongo pressure was because Momo Sisse helped the pressure to, so that led to that goal. And they were excellent in the 3 goals that they scored. Ahly, Salifu, Suma, third goal, no beautiful pass.
A nice goal,
top class. Yes.
Baby.
Natural guys, the Guineans are naturally very skillful players.
Yes.
Problem is sometimes so they are going to do when they should be more productive. But this game, they were very productive. And once again, Yann Ngache scored a consolation. Now Yann Ngache, no guys, any on Monday shares can go no. Unfortunately, they are out of the competition. Fantastic word. We never mind a match and I didn't.
We never mind a match and
because we are going to play Guinea.
I was draw my qualifier ahead of it.
And say I consider 5 goals. So I consider 5. I wasn't consider 2
and 7.
Yes.
They must win Ghana.
Yes. Almost there they get a draw, but they must win because the quality of the Guinean side. Anyhow, they possess defense the weakest in the competition. We'll come to that particular. So far tournament by defense the weakest. So that is going to be very very difficult. Your midfield no crowd was in shambles against Morocco, and they have, for me, in midfield they have the best midfield. They have the best midfield in the tournament so far as exhibited. So it's going to be very interesting playing against them. Egypt, this was a very difficult game. Very difficult game for Egypt against Mali. Because Malians also they won the first. This is a game of qualification. Don't forget the game between Egypt and Niger ended the draw, and so Egypt needed to come to the party. Mali also need to win the summer qualifier to the next day of the competition. And trust me, it was a very very compact game. Make sure game. I love the game because of the quality end to end. Very tight game. Egypt struggled, but one thing like I said, the Malians have. Unfortunately, they lost the game, but ability to take on the Egyptian defenders. And just once again, the Egyptian defenders stood tall. Hossam Abdelmagid, Zamalek, he started for Zamalek. I mean, control. Mohamed Tariq, a young player. So what they've done is that he's a more experienced player.
Yes.
According to Mohamed Tariq, he did very, very well. And because they have Shobe Saber in midfield and Mohamed Shehata in midfield, and Ahmed Koka Ali, young midfielder, they control the midfield because they came up against a midfielder. The Malians have very good midfield as well. Unfortunately for them, Mamadou Diambu and a red card. It was through those tackle challenge against Ahmed Koka and Emma on a red card, because the Malians in midfield have Mamadou Sangari. He's very quality tackle. And I was Mamadou Diambu who had a red card. And so unfortunately, it affected our rhythm in midfield, and that was when Egypt started playing so well. But at the end of the day, it's a wonderful goal scored by them. Osama Faisal wonderful pass to Adel Ibrahim, and Adel Ibrahim finished it very clinically. So Egypt are true. They are left with a game, but for me, the way I'm group no, SHP they'll go through. Then Niger.
Niger never
It's looking likely because Niger is disciplined. Look, if you watch the game, and Gabon came all out, but Enra, you see that Niger they brought the discipline, the technical discipline of the play, the regimen, defending, almost defending, keep making sure say yes. And for me, Abdel Alessandro, who played at the left back, he was solid. I mean, Koulibaly, Jibril, left right back, excellent. And then you have Salif Mahmoudia, led the centre back with good control, and Steve Abdel Moumouni, who have no share penalty, in midfield, and Musa Sisse Ishmael in midfield. They played compactively very, very well. They played very well, very tight, controlling the game and not giving any space to Gabon. And at the end of the day, the most important thing was a solitary goal. Almost share goal be brave, but so far, Egypt game no any this game clearly they've not considered. Until Omono, near somebody backward to Baso Besho Mune. Yeah, so it's looking likely, but the last game, Mali, don't write
a very tough game.
Yeah, because the game, the two of them have to qualify.
A very, very tough game.
Very interesting, very explosive on both sides. Let's wait and see. Now, we move on. Ahly, I extend a contract of 3 players. Now, very interesting. Europe multi players, Bisika, na Emo. Say Europe multi players, Kagesi, sa I'm certain players. You hear Ahly, the new contract. Now, Yasser Ibrahim, a top centre back. One, or a very intelligent, or a quick, or a good in area ball. 1v1 situation, a good organizer, a good leader. He's a good passer of the ball. Now, on FC Smoha 2019, Ebe joining Ahly. At the time about Ahly now, okay, Bade Banoun.
Bade Banoun.
Yeah, Bade Banoun. If we Raja Casablanca, Be Johnny Omo. But Bade Banoun had issues with Peter Musomani. And they decided to come back after a season. So they went and brought him as replacement. At that time now, Mahmoud Matwali, Ahly had turned $1.5 million from Pyramids. But by injury situation there, and he's proving just 3 years. He's proving to be the most important partner. Now, Ahly centre back, the only constant factor, Abdelmunem Mohamed. Abdelmunem. The constant factor. Yes. Now, while coach I try Yasser Ibrahim, I try Ahmad Ashraf, I try Mahmoud Metwali, Rami Rabia, but he has settled on this. So Usha CAF Champions League now, Usha finals now between Ahly and Iwak, both flex now, oh boy.
Yes.
Semi-final against Esperance, both flex, oh boy. Raja Casablanca quarter final, one ball first leg, Mahmoud Watwali and a ball first leg, or ball second leg. Cotton Sport Garua 3-0 home. Oh boy, first leg 4-0 away, Rami Rabia and a boy. Then he came again and played the second leg 5-2 to Mamelodi Sundowns. First leg, Mahmoud Matwali. Clearly, he's the most important partner to Mohamed Abdelmunem. And that is why they are giving a new contract. Now, with this new contract, he now moves to $90,000 a month from $70,000 a month.
$90,000 a month.
Yes.
Our Africa. $90,000.
Yes, a month. That's what he's going to earn. So he's moved to because a 2-year new contract. Now Rami Rabia, almost say Ahly. Rami Rabia 2012. Rami Rabia injuries now Hanupa.
About that Rami Rabia there. Now players
top.
Baby are born is almost
a prano say only Sat Same is say an Ahly na call loan of Future FC or Ahly player. Only Sat Same 2012 no they came up as replacement for Waya Goma the General any Abdel Fadir Sharif 2012-2013 because 2013 Omunyira Ekoi after the World Champions League against Orlando Pirates. So Omu no ba but unfortunately for them with injury Ahanosa and Russia Omu managing the games no Osha work any earlier second leg finals 1-1 86 minutes no be pesita of him because on him game management he's a top class player. How many Cotton Sport Garua 4-0 Obemu he played the entire time injury, no recurring injury, nama. Managing the game time. He's the third captain of the team anyway.
Yes.
But person be jano because him say too near here. Friend oba. He is moving from $75,000 a month to $90,000 a month. Now, goalkeeper El Shenawi earns $70,000. Where's renewing the contract? Enche. Hussein El Shahad. Hussein El Shahad Ali Tono earn $5 million.
$5 million.
Yeah, I'm told for
UAE.
Yes.
And I'm the Baha.
Now, there one who say league no mo. Me nimni dem tia say league no mo. Obom de bon shira bom but too much say who here pano.
Oh no.
Zamalek. Any Ahly Champions League final. Oni Mohamed Afshab Magbi. Omu Diagro. Who they share Champions League final we? Share first leg no. Share first goal na Pesita share. Next share second goal na Hani Mohamed Lombo no ma no.
Yes.
Asan odi Mama Mahmoud Kahraba no. So oye player or defining the most crucial, most difficult moment of the team no. Baby a team no here no bia team na kon here bia no. He comes up and step up his game and deliver. Now he's given 3-year contract. Now 3-year contract no $83,000 a month. Now he's moved to $100,000 a month salary.
$100,000 a month.
Yes.
That was that we omujwa we nyina wi na boy ka jeza asele kotokolu we bu compete dia apostle mo nya fe mayo. Awa be say ha no kra lo mo nya fe mai. Awa me nya Jose Ghanaian player bia no Ghana. Even you twa na ka $5,000.
Oh, $5,000. No, too much deal. Onka $500.
Where was he go with GD?
But that is why they're 11-time champions.
We just say $100,000 a month.
Yeah.
Now Omama can 1980.
Yeah, 70 55 Mama 55.
Okola Okogojaya Wachia. Or month and 3.5 fellow Kralemba.
Yeah. No, but they are almost the standard. That's what we need to understand. Ahly the standard when it comes to African football. They are the standard. And to almost so what they say, they are the standard. Now, I may call Ricky Hatton, may call boxer Ricky Hatton. Ricky Hatton said, Nientia, edu baby, yes, Ricky Hatton, my Nientia, over the right side, microphone, or Kasana.
I think it started with Mayweather. I was down, I was devastated, and it was just in a mindset of highs and lows. You know, I got beat by Mayweather, and everyone say, well, it's Floyd Mayweather, there's no need to be embarrassed, but I thought I was going to beat him. And when I didn't, I took it hard. But then I decided, I felt like packing the game in, and then I decided to carry on, and then I boxed at the City in Manchester Stadium in front of 55,000 fans against Juan Lascano. So that was
So this Ricky Hatton, trust me. Oka, one of the finest boxers in the last 20 years from Britain, is Ricky Hatton. But as all TBB, I say, we are saying, no, your name may be a Sisini Paswa. Until down there. Now this young man, Ricky Hatton, was a top-class super lightweight and welterweight champion. 2-time. Or a top player. Top boxer, sorry. Top. Now, this is Ononi Costazu. Remember, Costazu, before Costazu Bekono, Costazu was top drawer in boxing. Costazu Abu Julio Cesar Chavez at his peak. Abu Zabjuda at his peak. Abu Jesse Zimleja at his peak. And so, when you are going to fight as an underdog, and easy. But we are a pressure fighter, Ricky Hatton, pressure fighter, good left jab, combinative puncher. And so, according to this particular bout, then the Onajum said, Sematimia Bukostas, Mamuka, Mima 11 from or Tran, ni stool, no so. Ni okona mo transfer stool or transfer mo antimi amba bi mu 11. Why na Mayweather? Why na Floyd Mayweather? Now when he went into the bout and then he went and lost. Before the loss, first 3 rounds, no, he was doing well. Ricky Hatton was doing well. Mayweather nya off balance foot twice. 5th round, 6th round, and Mayweather raffle no kakra no den nsa echo ball. Mayweather tiko 3 times referee Joko test etinum point or tino point back on started complaining, and that is where he started complaining about it. But round 8 Mayweather came into his rhythm. I feel the ordinary rhythm got its range, and I feel the Dijuma and Omano or knocking it down round 10 or somebody else knocking it down. But the point is that this Floyd Mayweather and Ricky Hatton, one when GND say obe lose bout no, anything out here in terms of who is Mayweather or still be saying no krombu no enti or lose ye no a shocking no on your mental felt a fan trim on tiasie one me and funny one channel say we lose your man Mayweather enti because of that no they bout against Manny Pacquiao tenka knock around too. He's never done that before until a fan trim baza carrying on fan yes so and a mass is an ambassador to Momoko to or can be said you war background or some funny bathroom and feeling. Oh, yeah, that's the level it can get to. That is the level mental stress can get to. It can happen to anybody. Abu be two panel one share your money or be or nyani baby kwana way. When yami and near mono and ya proper counselor, look, you can go through it. He went through that. Today, or ambassador to Omuyesa or Tufo. About how I offer mental stress, but how you should be able to come out of it. And Umami, Usyk Alexander, any Asia, the second bout now. Oh, Asia lose you and when Gentles or lose you, you or carry belts no, airco. Then Okai said no, belts in Yanidia. They brought the belt back. This is all like him. You understand me?
Or to go form no.
Or to go form. There is on sportsmanship. But untiasie unfemuda untiasie nia come sabred on jin this obetimi lose the second bout because he thought to him he's won. Come on, me of all people, but niebema wa ye no mental stress. It affects everybody one way or the other. And how you handle with your fortune on your counselor. Obia ya wanya. Bibetimi so obusia mo so abrabo mo e betimi affect too. More time na.
Umbre na so.